Hi, it's Brian with Find Artists here. Today we're going to be talking about the biggest mistake that artists make with watermarks when they post their artwork on the internet. So for example, let's look at this picture that my friend took here. It looks like a great picture, right? It looks so sweet until you put a big watermark right across the top of it. That's a Find Artist logo, right across the top. Imagine that watermark was on there, but it kind of ruins the photo. It doesn't even look good anymore. But a lot of artists will actually do this because they think it'll deter theft. They think it'll keep people from stealing their artwork online and then using it and selling it and gaining from it. So these huge watermarks in the middle must be really good at preventing theft, right? Well, if you look at YouTube, how to remove a watermark, someone can learn how to do it in under 2 minutes on YouTube. So it's pretty easy to remove watermarks. And that leaves us no reason to have a huge watermark on top of the whole entire piece, ruining the entire thing. Instead, the watermark that you should be using is a small little discreet one in the bottom right corner. This is not meant to keep people from stealing your artwork because it's easy, anybody can do it, anybody can still crop it out of there, but what this one is for is so that people can enjoy the picture, the painting, the sculpture, whatever it is, they can enjoy it, but then they can still see in the bottom right who made it. That's your little logo or your Instagram name or your Twitter handle, whatever it is, or your website. When this picture of your artwork goes floating across the internet, people will see who actually made it and they can track it down back to you, which is even great if people want to circulate it and give you more exposure. That's amazing, let them do that. But this little discrete watermark in the bottom right corner, or whichever corner you want, is the way to go. So if you want to learn how to make one of these watermarks, go ahead to this video right here and I'll show you how to do it without Photoshop on a super easy free website. And if you like this video, give it a little thumbs up and subscribe to us because there's more where this came from. Adios.